Hi, I am Ryan Bollinger, the Area Sales Manager for the Wheel Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about one of our 14 enthusiast brands, which today we're going to feature as Body Armor 4x4. This one shown here is for our Ram 1500 new body style pickup truck. Just like all of our other Body Armor 4x4 products, it does have a very OE fit finish. As you can see, it does follow and line up with our body lines. And just like all of our other bumpers, it does come with anything that's OE requirement drilled in there already. So like these right here are our front sensors already drilled in. If it doesn't have the front sensors, that's okay, because our pop-in pieces here are included with the bumper. For if you live in a state that does require front license plates, that holes are already drilled as well, and the plastic inserts are included. So again, everything is a no cut, nice bolt-on piece. This one here also features, you can see here is our 30-inch dual row LED light bar. This light bar does come already harnessed, ready to go. So it's relayed, fused, run the positive, negative to the battery, switch through the firewall, and you're ready to go on this. This bumper also does have pockets to run a pod LED light in each side, as well as the warranty on this one is a lifetime on the structure, 3-year finish on the warranty. Moving on from our front bumper, we do have our ambush side steps here. They do feature a high, sleek main beam that sits nice and close to the body. When it comes to install on these, it does retain the OE holes. On the gas models, there's no drilling or cutting required. On the diesel models, it does require a little bit of cutting and trimming around the def tank. This also does feature a 2-inch drop step to make it a smoother transition from the ground up into the truck. Into the steps themselves, it does have drain holes as well as our Body Armor 4x4 logo cut into it, so you're not building up water or mud. It does feature just like our front bumper, a 2-stage powder coat. So it is gonna get, for your everyday use of mud, salt, snow, it is gonna get through those bad weather conditions and hold up. And behind that, we put a 3-year finish warranty as well as a limited lifetime structure warranty. Rounding things out in this Ram 1500 new body build is our rear ambush bumper. This one here does follow your OE lines nice and tight, even down to the fact that we did the cutouts for the factory dual exhaust. It does also have pockets to run a cube light, whether it be spot or fog in the back. It does also accept your factory trailer wiring harness. It does have access to your spare tire cutout, and it does work with your OE installed factory trailer hitch. It does have nice clearance here as well. This bumper is a no-cut, drill, nice bolt-on piece. It does feature our 3-year finish warranty and also our limited lifetime structure warranty as well. What we've shown here today is just one of the many fitments we have under our Body Armor 4x4 lineup. We do offer a full line of Jeep accessories. In the half-ton and 3/4-ton market, we do cover Ford, Chevy, and Ram. For Toyota, we do have Tacoma and Tundra accessories available too, and some Nissan fitments. Everything shown here today can be found at bodyarmor4x4.com or reach out to one of your local sales reps. Thanks for watching.